Tatagta rin na ba?
Sige ko naman ako. Kaya kasama rin ko.
Yan.
Mating nga.
Happy birthday!
Talang sa baba.
Yan, pugot na.
Yan. Yan, mas na.
Big parties are such fun with lots of gifts from everyone. Happy birthday, now we sing, and the very best wishes we bring. Ha ha ha, with me, we're as happy as can be. Ha ha ha, you and me, we're as happy as can be. Party gives us such fun too. I've been song and so do you. You and me, we're as happy as
Baby, harap ka doon sa ano. Ay, sa clown. Dali.
A
Magic
duck
Hero.
had a birthday and all the ducks came to eat a duck cake and to play a duck game. They opened up presents and when they were through, they said quack, quack, quack. Everybody do it now, quack, quack, quack. Day in duck. Now when a rooster wants to say happy birthday to you, and I'll tell you one more. Happy birthday to a lion, it's a great big roar. A cow had a birthday and all the cows came. So when they were through, they said, happy birthday to way cows do. They said, moo, moo, moo. Everybody do it now, moo, moo, moo. On my toes,
Hi!
try to be a fighter and sail the seven seas. But
Shai.
there's something special which everyone agrees.
Kawai, Shai.
Everyone likes ice cream,
Kawai.
yes indeed they do. Everyone likes
Oh,
ice
ikaw.
cream.
Sino ko?
Do you?
Sino ko?
Search all around
Dali.
over, travel near and far, but everyone likes you and you. La 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 la.
Yan, kawai!
Everybody here has a name, oh yes. My name is Morning. My name is
Kanta ka, kanta. Oh, dali. Happy birthday. Dali. Happy birthday kanta. Dali na. Happy birthday. Hindi mo birthday to. Birthday ni Marigold to.
Together, happy you will be, for your friends are my friends. Together,
Yay!
Takot sa clown eh, kako.
Takot ka ba? Ha? Fish ka? Takot ka sa clown?
And there isn't any name that you can't rhyme. Jimmy, 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 go Vinny, banana, banana, go Vinny. Let's do Joey, 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 go Boney, banana, banana, go Boney, me, bye, no, go we. Joey, a little trick with Nick, 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 go big, banana, banana, go big, me, bye, no, Nick, Nick.
Kawai! Yes! Hello, baby. Ate MM, kaway ka naman dyan. Dali na!
Okay lang. Baby.
Meron?
Sounds Yeah.
Ano siya yung nagpapape? Mamaya, yung isang puppet niya, in-invite dito ni Ate Marigold. Darating na siya, papunta na siya dito sa... Anong lugar ba to? Lagundi. Ayan, papunta na siya dito. Hintayin nyo lang. Tapos mamaya, manonood kayo ng magic. Tapos, sino gusto matutong mag-magic sa mga kids? Tuturo ako ng magic, mama. Ayan, mamaya tuturo ako kayo. Huwag muna kayong uwi kasi marami tayong prize. Maraming laman yung pabitin natin. Meron pa tayong palayo. Marami tayong laman, okay? Okay, sige. Okay, gusto nyo nang maglaro? Ayan, okay, sige, maglalaro tayo ngayon. Okay, dahil puso pa kayo, warm-up games muna tayo. Okay, kunin mo muna yung upuan natin na yan. Ito na lang, ate, akin yung upuan mo. Doon ka na lang mo po. Kaya dyan ka na lang mo po. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, sige. Etong first game ko, listen kids, etong first game ko, yung tinatawag na longest greetings, happy birthday. Babatiin niyo lang ng happy birthday si Marigold. Sabihin niyo yung mahaba-mahaba. Sabihin niyo, happy birthday Marigold! Habaan niyo kung sino yung pinakamahabang babati ng happy birthday sa kanya. Siya yung magiging winners natin. Magkakaroon siya ng prizes. Okay, sino gusto first prize dito sa harap? Bibigyan ko ng prize. So yun ang sa likod nila, sa likod. Yo. Dapat lahat ng kids sasali para lahat magka-try para magkaroon ng prize dito sa harap. Ayan. Okay, thank you. Okay, dito ka, baby. Akit ka dito sa... Sabihin mo ng happy birthday si Marigold. Yung mahabang-mahaba. Ready ka na? Okay, gusto ko, lahat ng kids na nasa harapan ko, bibilang kayo ng malakas. Sabay-sabay kayo. Sabayan nyo kaming dalawa. Sabay-sabay tayong bumilang. Ready na? 1, 2, 3, go! Sabi mo, happy birthday, Marigold! Okay, ulitin natin ha. Bibilang tayo. Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Marigold!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
Ano? Na-traffic? Okay, sabihin mo. Isa pa, sabihin mo. Happy birthday, Marigold! Teka lang, ako muna. Pakinggan mo ako. Okay, ganito sabihin mo. Happy birthday, Marigold! Habaan yung pangalan ni Ate Marigold para ikaw yung manalo, ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
Okay na kayo na siya? Naka-83. Palakpakan nyo na si Ate ng malakas. Ayan. Okay, sa boys tayo ngayon. Ito si Kuya Jerome. Si Kuya Jerome. Ayan. Dapat lahat kayo sasali. Dali. Madali lang itong game sa atin. Nakit ganito, Kuya. Harap ka sa kanila. Okay, Kuya, what's your name?
Jerome.
Jerome. Okay, ilang taon na?
10.
Saan kayo doon? Nag-aaral? Anong grade?
4.
Grade 4. Okay. Ano yung favorite subject nyo sa school?
Recess!
Math. Okay, magaling ka sa math? Alam ko favorite mo na niloloko mo ako kay Jerome, ha? Okay, sige kay Jerome. Alam mo na yung gagawin mo? Okay ba? Ganun din, kamukha lang ginawa ni ate.